So, what are the features of a classroom culture that support equitable sense making? And how do we support equitable sense making? Some of the key goals in the NRC framework and NGSS are to shift from learning about to figuring out. Science content is three-dimensional. In other words, the disciplinary core ideas, the cross-cutting concepts, and science and engineering practices are woven together. And it supports an equity vision of science instruction in which all students are known, heard, and supported with access and opportunities for learning. Realizing this potential is particularly important in relation to students of color, students who speak first languages other than English, and students from low-income communities, who, despite numerous waves of reform, have had limited access to high-quality, meaningful opportunities to learn in science. Traditionally, schools have valued definitions, academic language, and strict turn-taking, and the teacher or the curriculum is often the sole holder of knowledge. All students have a wealth of experiences, ideas, and language that might not be expressed in academic language. So if we really want to support an equity vision of science instruction, then we need to start to shift to who and what are valued in the classroom. So there are some key features of a classroom culture that support this equitable sense making. You'll be able to download the features of the classroom culture below. You can choose a Google forced copy version, a PDF version, or a Word version. And this document really focuses in on who is engaged or excluded from classroom activity, who is treated as a knower in the classroom, what ways of knowing are privileged in the classroom, and what science is practiced in the classroom. So when you look at this document, you can see that there's the specific feature, and then there's a deeper description. There's a place to record some observations. So after reading the first two columns, think about what resonates with you and what questions or concerns do you have. Reply in the discussion prompt below.